Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So with me here is Amazon delivery. There is something inside. I bought it as special birthday gift.
So this car.
Yeah, it's a birthday gift, but it's also a very important gift in the house. So I want to unbox it. Let's see what is inside.
Okay.
Actually, maybe they are a surprise. Don't look.
I'm not looking.
Okay. Okay, there's nothing written there. This is a very important item in the house.
In the house?
Yeah. So, guess.
But I can guess.
Guess.
If I guess right, what will you give me?
We will see.
No, tell me before you open.
Guess.
What will you give me?
What's
Let's bet. If I'm wrong, I'll give you something. If I'm right, you give me something.
10,000
10,000 yen.
yen.
Babe.
That's around $100.
Not, yeah. Okay. One guess or two?
One.
Tripod light. Yeah. Tripod and light.
Okay. That's 10,000.
Let's see. Oh my God. Huh? But this. Wait. No. This is too small for a a ring light, right? Can I guess another one? Wait. Yeah.
It was a tripod.
I said triple
so
and
you
light,
are
but
wrong.
triple and light come as a set.
So you are wrong.
Okay, so wait. Give me another chance.
Last chance.
Okay. Camera.
Is there something written?
Camera.
Okay, you are wrong. 10,000. Okay, there we go. Tudum.
It must be a. What is it?
Tudum.
Scam.
Ta-dam.
It's a light. LED.
Okay, you owe me 10,000.
What is 10,000?
$100.
But I said it's a LED lamp.
You are still wrong.
It's a drone.
Okay, this is a M Cook product. And she still doesn't have a clue what I'm holding in my hand.
I don't.
Which is okay. Don't worry. This is an M Cook to support you in your YouTube channel.
Arigato.
And
over
here. What?
I know.
What is it?
Wow. Knife set. Right?
But you owe me $10,000. $100.
I'll give you 20.
Okay, so this is the smallest of the knives. This is a M Cook. This is around 19 centimeters, but the knife section is 8.9 centimeters. So this is the smallest knife in this knife set. So it goes fast. Then the bread knife, this one is the next one. This is around 24 centimeters and the knife section is 13.9 centimeters. You can see with the fruit knife from McCook. Can you see the logo here? McCook. So I guess this is and all the knives have the sharp edge protector. think this is for packaging, so you can put it back carefully. You're not. This is called a butcher knife.
Oh yeah. It's a butcher knife.
This is a butcher knife. This is a butcher knife. From here to here is roughly 26 centimeters. The cutting edge is 12 centimeters. Very nice. Stainless steel. Yeah. And there's the protector there for handling. I think it can't fit here with the protector, so maybe this one can fit. There we go. Then the last one is the all-purpose knife. Looks good. This is also McCook product. Stainless steel. Very nice handle. Yeah, even my big hands fit very well. Yeah, chop chop. So this is the knife set. We have all the knives here, and actually there is an extra knife. So I don't know whether this was a packaging error or it's just a gift. I think it's a gift. This is an extra fruit knife. We also have a fruit knife here, but they are different in length. Yeah. I think this is a gift for you.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Yeah, so when you're making a YouTube video, your recipes,
What about when I'm cooking?
you do it with swag.
What about when I'm cooking?
You cook with swag.
Our
Nice logo. I think it's printed on a stainless steel logo. So actually everything here is made from stainless steel. So even the logo here is stainless steel, but with a glass coating. And a beautiful stand. It's actually heavy.
Does it have a drainer?
Yeah, there's a drainer at the bottom, so don't worry about
Water?
draining water after washing. Actually, the stand itself is raised. You can see the four
Stands.
Yeah, they're like stands. Then each knife has a draining opening. The big one is for the scissor, and all the knives have a drain. So this is a very beautiful knife set for you.
Thank you.
You like it?
I love it. Hontou ni arigato gozaimasu.
Hai domo.